You know when people start dying, right? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. You wake up in the morning and you're like, yo, like someone else died today, and then next week another person died, and then you know, you kind of just see it around, and it kind of makes you question yourself, like, yo, am I really living my life the way I want to live? You know, that it's one of them things. I had one of them moments today, and I was like, yo, like people just be dying, man. Like it's crazy, and you just gotta think, yo, like you're going hard and you're doing whatever you're doing, and yeah, you got goals and you got dreams and everything, but yo, don't forget to live today. You can't forget to live and enjoy your life for today, because tomorrow, you know, the whole thing that we all talk about and we all hear about and we all think about, yeah, tomorrow's not promised. It's the biggest cliche out there, like, yeah, tomorrow's not promised. We all know tomorrow's not promised, but nah, like, yo, like it's really not promised. So I'm not saying obviously stop doing everything you're doing and stop chasing your dreams and stop going to work and like that. Nah, that's just stupid. Don't do that. But in the process of doing that, take a moment out, like take some time and actually enjoy your life. Like if you've gotten anywhere in life, I don't know, like if you've got any kind of success, yo, take a moment out and enjoy it. Enjoy it with your people, enjoy it with your family, spend some time. Because that time, yo, like it may not even be you. What happens if you're going hard and you're saying you never have time for anything, and then something happens to one of your people and then they're gone? I mean, so yeah, it's just one of them things, man. Like you just gotta stop and think about it and think, yo, is it really worth it? Is it really is it worth it? Is it worth giving up all your time knowing that tomorrow is not promised? Because I don't know, man. To me, I don't think it is. I don't think it is, and I don't think you should ever do that. I think you need to stop. And I'm a victim of that too. Everyone is. A lot of people are. So I'm not even saying I'm this and that. No, like it's literally everyone is a victim of it. But you gotta take time and enjoy. Try to enjoy today, and try to live your life today, because you just never know what the situation is. So yeah, man, work hard, but don't forget to live and enjoy your life today. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.